Tonight I'd like to share with you a traditional Jäger Bomb. First of all, you take your glassware. I'm going to be using a tumbler and a plastic shot glass. This is so that when I drop the shot glass into the tumbler, it doesn't damage my tumbler. So, first of all, a traditional Jäger Bomb. This is one that uses Pilsner rather than Red Bull. So, just preparing my Pilsner there, and then I'll take my shot glass and add to our shot glass my Jägermeister. Just like so. And then I will prepare my second shot glass with Jägermeister and prepare my second tumbler with Red Bull. This is known as a modern Jäger Bomb. So we have Pilsner in one and Red Bull in the other. So first of all, a traditional Jäger Bomb. May I say, cheers. That was okay. That was okay. I think in some cultures it's called a boiler maker, or that, and they have enhanced that to be a whiskey with beer. But there we have it. And now my modern day Jäger Bomb. Got my Jäger, got my Red Bull. Cheers. Again, a very refreshing, energy inducing hit. However, now that I've given you a traditional Jäger Bomb and a modern day Jäger Bomb, I would like to share with you a reverse Jäger Bomb. This is where you fill up a glass with Jägermeister, and then you take your shot glass and you fill that up with Red Bull. Just like so. And may I say, cheers. That is obviously a lot more potent and slightly less energy efficient because there is less Red Bull, but it is a very sweet beverage.